Now, the other big topic that came out of the event that I didn't really talk about a lot is the windows, the smashing of the windows, which a lot of people perceived as an embarrassment. It obviously did not go according to plan. It's not, and he had to continue the presentation in front of the windows, which I felt for him in that moment. I was like, this is not going according to plan. Remember, my suggestion was hop in the car and say, I'm going to show you the other side until we get the window thing sorted out. Just right on the fly. But it's hard in the moment to figure out, you're just going to keep going. Am I going to make an alteration to the game plan here? And the speculation when it happened was, why are you doing this in real time? In fact, I even said, I kind of commend you for doing this in real time. That's kind of exciting. You go out there and you freestyle.
Yeah.
But it turns out that wasn't the case. They're a company. A lot of people work there. They test this stuff. And they did test it before the event took place. And actually, if you scroll down a little further in this particular article, you'll see a video clip in slow motion right there of the same guy, Franz. Is it Franz or Franz? Franz, he throws it. And this is behind the scenes before they roll the vehicle out. And it bounces right off that glass, no problem. Right back at him. Steel ball, no problem. No shattered glass. Now, of course, that's not what happened during the presentation. During a presentation, the thing shatters very easily. It's like butter. So a lot of people started speculating what might have went wrong, and also started to imagine what might have to take place to avoid this from happening on the final product. So one of the benefits of dealing with a CEO who's incredibly public and available on Twitter is he actually responds to a tweet regarding the shattered glass. The tweet was, I know the real reason behind the window crack. It's okay, Elon. But maybe you should have threw the ball at the window before you decided to hit the door with a sledgehammer. So this guy is speculating that the issue was the original sledgehammer blow, to which Elon responds, yup, sledgehammer impact on door, cracked base of glass, which is why steel ball didn't bounce off. Should have done steel ball on window, then sledgehammer the door. Next time, ... So the thing went out of order, or it could have gone in a different order and potentially had a different result. But then Kirk brought up the point when we were talking is, what about in real life? You're driving around thinking you got this durable machine. The door's getting slammed, things are getting slammed, you got steel everywhere. You're angry in general. Wherever you go in your Cybertruck, you're ready for anything. And then someone taps your door, then steel balls your glass because they know the ultimate code.
Yeah.
They know the Street Fighter code.
Yeah.
What is it? Remind me. What is it? Back, down. Yeah, A-B.
Yeah.
A-B. Everybody knows it. So that's obviously not ideal either. And I don't think he means that with this particular tweet. I think this is more saying, I think you're still going to go back and attempt to analyze the engineering. But I think that there's an element here of, look, we did this particular combo resulted in this outcome.
What I realized is that well, it didn't show in this GIF here, but the back glass shattered as well. And they didn't hit the back panel.
Yeah, so is it possible that there's some sort of, it was more just the vibration of the impact in general weakened all glass elements of the vehicle?
Maybe.
You're not going to hit your car with a sledgehammer for the most part. But yeah, it does bring a lot of questions, and people have those questions, and that's fair. But it did not stop 200,000 people from pre-ordering the thing with no advertising and no paid endorsement.
Right.
Because there's guys like us talking about it, because it looks crazy. And because people want to watch it. I should also mention, for those in the comments that are saying, oh, you guys are all pawns. Everyone's talking about Elon snaps his fingers and everyone's talking about, people are watching it. It's not me. I don't set the metric. I talk about things I find interesting, and then you view the results. Go type Cybertruck and see a couple view counts. Sheesh. People are all affected by the same thing. You got to look. If this thing rolls past you, you tell me you're not going to double take in real life? You're not going to turn your head. You.
You're talking to me?
I'm talking to everyone. You gotta look. You gotta look.
Yeah.
And so there's curiosity around this subject matter. So it's not just strictly everybody falling in line and publishing all their things in conjunction relating to the Cybertruck or ordering it because it only costs $100. It's public interest. It's consumer interest in a product that drives all these various other mechanisms that then happen after that initial interest starts to bubble up. Then we go into action, responding to the interest and our own personal interest and the customer interest. So the view counts are heavy on a Cybertruck. It might be the hottest. It might be the hottest hype machine that Tesla has ever put out. It might be. Coming back to the original, I guess. I mean, even beyond the Roadster. Just what I'm seeing on the view counts on YouTube and the retweets and the action on Twitter and everybody talking about it, it's wild. It's a perfect package. And it's because it's crazy, Will.
No, I understand. I feel you.
You see?
It's
There's products that do this. It's shock value. It works.
beyond the product. It's a recipe for
It's the whole concoction.
viral
All the little
potential.
pieces. It's the beautiful mind. It's the who's the guy?
Beautiful mind.
Yeah, it's the Rain Man. It's the Rain Man package. You put it all to the equations.
It's like you're doing a kung fu movie.
Yeah, I'm doing kung fu today. I decided to get a little workout up here today. It's kung fu today.